Hey guys, this is Jam of JamOnline.ph, and today we're gonna unbox and take a closer look on the newest Y smartphone from Vivo, the Vivo Y95. I know there are a lot of Y series smartphone from Vivo, but this one is quite unique as this one packs a Snapdragon 439 processor, which is fairly new, and then there's a 6.22-inch Halo Full View display. That's a tiny notch at the top, similar to the Vivo V11, and of course the smartphone comes with 4030 milliamperes of battery. Other specifications include a 64 gigs of internal storage, 4 gigs of RAM, a 20 megapixel selfie camera, 13 plus 2 megapixel rear camera. There's a Fun Touch OS 4.5 based on Android 8.1, and again, it has a battery of 4030 milliamperes of battery, and it's available in Aurora Red and Starry Black. So the smartphone is priced at $13,999, and I know some of you might think that this smartphone is more expensive compared to other smartphones with similar specifications or even probably lower specifications. I'm not sure yet, but again, we're not just talking about specifications here. Every time we buy a smartphone, we should also look into its features, its design. So yeah, I'm really curious about the Vivo Y95. Again, it has a starry black color, which is one of the things that I like about here. And yeah, we got a 20 megapixel selfie camera. So we're not sure yet how this one fares. So what are we waiting for? Let's check out, let's unbox, and let's take a closer look on the Vivo Y95. Alright guys, so you're looking at the Vivo Y95. So yes, let's unbox the Y95 AI selfie beyond clearer. So inside we got here the case and also some manuals. So it's a jelly case, the pin for the SIM card tray. So we got here the smartphone, so we're gonna check out the smartphone later, but first I'm gonna turn it on, then we'll check out the box. So we got here the charger. So the charger is rated at 5 volts 2 amperes, so it's not really a fast charger, just a normal charger for the Vivo Y95. There's the micro USB cable here, nothing really special or fancy about it. This is the Vivo Y95, and as you can see here, it has a pretty beautiful display. We got a halo notch here. It's a Halo Full View display. We got a really tiny notch at the top. So you can see here, that's the selfie camera. The design is actually similar to the Vivo V11. There's a minimal notch at the top. Then there's a little chin below. However, the bezel on the side, it is really minimal. We got also the rounded edges, and actually looks like and feels like a Vivo V11. However, when you look at the back, you can still see that the Vivo Y95 still packs the starry black color, which is, well, I really like this design. I really like this color of the smartphone. However, we got here the fingerprint scanner. We don't have the in-display fingerprint scanner anymore because this is the Y95. Got a dual lens camera. Again, one of them is a 2 megapixel for depth sensing, and ergonomics of this smartphone is pretty good. I actually like holding this smartphone even without its case. Speaking of ergonomics, well, the design and the build quality, well, yes, it does look beautiful to me. Yes, the starry black color is really shining, and you would really love the design of the smartphone. However, still made up of plastic, but don't worry, it doesn't feel cheap. But yeah, it's plastic. It's not glass, it's not aluminum, it's not steel. Below, we got here the micro USB port along with the headphone jack. So nothing really special about that. This is a very common feature on mid-range smartphones, except for the flagship. Well, flagship smartphones are now ditching the headphone jack. On the right, we got here the power button and also the volume rocker. On the other side, we got here the SIM card tray. And yeah, basically that's it for the I/O of the Vivo Y95. So looking at the display, as you can see here, I've already installed Face Unlock and also the fingerprint scanner or my fingerprint, but the Face Unlock is quite fast. Well, as you can see, I'm gonna press the power button again. There we go. You didn't even see the lock screen because the Face Unlock of the Vivo Y95 is as fast as the other Vivo smartphones. It's also almost on par also with some other Oppo smartphones, which is, well, you know, really fast. So Display is HD plus, nothing really special about the display. It's not the best display that you can see in the market. However, I'm still satisfied with it. However, it's $13,999 and I think they should have used full HD on this one, but HD plus display means that you'll have more battery life. Again, 4030 milliamperes of battery plus the HD plus display. I believe we can get a lot of juice in this smartphone. Let's talk about the software of the smartphone. So as you can see, it's running on FunTouch OS 4.5 with Android 8.1. As you can see, we got here some pre-installed applications. We got here the FunTouch UI. It is really fast, very responsive, and it is user friendly to me. So you can see here on the swiping to the right, we can see here some assistant. I believe this is Jovi assistant, something like that. So it lets you see the shortcuts, smart scene, weather, to-do list, and also you could actually adjust the cards or the order of cards here. Well, it's really helpful for some people. But here in the home screen, you can see here this the V App Store, the iTeam, so you could change the theme of the smartphone. Of course, we got here some pre-installed applications. We got the Vivo.com app, the Notes app, the Duo app. Probably only a few of you are using that one. We got WPS Office, Lazada, WeSync, Kids Mode, and some tools that are really useful. So yeah, easy share, by the way, easy share. So as you can see, one of the things that I like about the Vivo Y95 is that the software is actually responsive. And again, we do have an update, but however, we're still we're currently updating the smartphone. But yeah, as you can see here, got an optimized compatibility between applications, some third-party applications. That is really nice, so you can have better experience on this one. I don't have games and applications yet on the Vivo Y95, but for now, I'm pretty happy that well, we got these features on the smartphone. So they got the user fingerprint. So yeah, I'm not gonna show you my lock screen password. You got easy touch, everything. So Jovi, this is the smart assistant, smart camera, smart scene, game mode. I'm not really sure how the Snapdragon 439 works, but we have to benchmark this one and of course review the smartphone. So yeah, basically that's it for the software of the smartphone. Just a quick look of the software. Well, let's go to the camera of the smartphone. Again, we do have a 2 megapixel depth sensor. That's why we have portrait mode on this one. We could use better bokeh, and yes, you could adjust the aperture. I believe that's software aperture, yeah. So videos, we could record up to 1080p. That is really nice. Then got AR stickers. Here we go. So for some cute stuff, we could add some bunny over here. Yeah, that is really cute. And the face tracking is pretty accurate and really fast. It's very responsive actually. So yeah, let's go back. As you can see here, we got face beauty. However, I'm still not a fan of that. We got group selfie, professional mode. So this is the dock mode, and then of course there's the professional mode. As you can see, we got the autofocus, white balance, shutter, ISO, and exposure. And then you could actually use the bokeh mode on the front and the rear camera of the smartphone. Actually, I'm gonna show you some of the shots that I took earlier. So this is a night shot. However, it's really dark outside, so I can't get anything outside. So this one is actually a pretty cute one. And I'm not using bokeh mode on this one. This is an auto mode, and surprisingly, this one is pretty well. This one is using the portrait bokeh mode, and I didn't expect that you could adjust the portrait bokeh on this one. So you could adjust the focusing on this one thanks to the dual lens camera. This one is really useful, and I actually love this feature on the Vivo Y95. I believe not only the Vivo Y95 but also other Vivo smartphones, or I'm not sure about the Vivo 11. I have to check the Vivo V11 again. Then again, this one is on auto mode. I love the details. It's $39.99. I'm not yet sure. I'm actually in between the satisfied and, well, not satisfied because I can actually get some good shots in here. It's detailed. The bokehs are pretty good. However, it's a little bit overexposed. But again, I have to review this one, so I have to get a closer look on the rear camera of the smartphone. This one is selfie mode. So surprisingly, the selfie camera of the Vivo Y95 is pretty well. It's actually quite great for its price. So it's on par with some smartphones. It's not the best one, I believe, in its price range, but I love the post processing, the colors and everything. on the Vivo Y95's selfie camera. So yeah, I guess that's it for our hands-on and unboxing of the Vivo Y95. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now's the time to subscribe. So don't forget to check out my Facebook page, facebook.com/groups/JamOnlinePH, and also, yeah, well, that's my groups and Facebook page, facebook.com/JamOnlinePH, and of course, my social media accounts, JamOnlinePH. You can check out everything at the description below. So yeah, once again, I'm Jam of JamOnline.ph, and thanks for watching our unboxing hands-on of the Vivo Y95.